is, okay, this is People versus Adam Al-Rayashi, ticket number 2255, I'm sorry, 22500751. Oh, hold on one second. All right. Count one is operating illegal marijuana dispensary, and then ticket number U629122222. Count one, operates cigarette retailer without City of Detroit business license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Doreen Elder, Mr. Riashi, my P number is 57728, Your Honor. Good morning.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Elder. I haven't seen you in a long time.
Been a while, Judge. Good to see you.
Yeah.
This capacity.
All right, thank you. All right, is your client present?
Judge, if he's not present, I do apologize. I'm actually at home on quarantine. I do have COVID, so I don't have his file with me. I did not want to go to my office since I've been with COVID, Judge. So I'm asking the court to waive his appearance just for this hearing.
All right, this matter will be adjourned. The court will waive his appearance. The court will adjourn this matter because obviously, Mr. Elder, you're not feeling well. Are you here?
Yes, Your Honor. I was I'm the city prosecutor. You guys couldn't hear me. My bandwidth was low. Yeah, we do need an adjournment, Your Honor. However, Ms. Cole, the state prosecutor, she won't be back in the office till December 8th. Is there any way we can get an adjourn date after that date?
For 15th.
That would work for me and Ms. Cole. Does that work with for you, Mr. Elder?
What was the date?
December 15th.
Let me check, please.
And what time would be?
I'm in trial on that day in Macomb County. Can we have the meeting the week before?
Because the week before, she's possibly pulls on the side, right? Is she back on the 8th?
Yes, well, yes.
We can do it on the 8th at 10:45.
Are you there, Ms. Cole? Right, step up. It's just video. Are you there, Ms. Cole?
Yes, I am. I'll be out of the. What date were we looking at?
At the 8th, exactly. That probably wouldn't work out well for you, December 8th, would it?
I would appreciate if we could make it a little later because I'll just be getting back from being out of the country.
Absolutely.
Does the 16th work?
That's great.
Miss Dawn, is the 16th okay?
Judge Holmes only does them on certain days, and that's why I'm not sure. I have to check. I know Thursdays, obviously, and I could try Wednesday.
Wednesday, we could do a Wednesday at 10:45 because our afternoon doc's at 1:30. That usually works, right? Also, we can do Wednesday.
The 14th.
Yes, would that work for you? Both parties, the 14th.
So, guys, I'm in trial from the 5th until the 15th. That's the issue I'm having. If it's a pre-trial, I could probably have someone stand in for me. If not, we're gonna have to just put this over until the following month, if that's okay.
Sure. You know who else?
Then how about we set it for a pre-trial? We set it for a pre-trial, and then when Judge Holmes gets back, I'll ask her for a date that will work for all parties. We'll just set it for a pre-trial date today.
Okay.
He said he can get someone to cover on 14th.
Yeah, then you can get somebody to cover Mr. Elder on the 14th.
That's correct.
All right,
Pre-trial on the 14th.
So we'll set it for pre-trial December 14th at 10:45.
Yes, Your Honor, if we may, thank you.
All right, anything further?
No, Your Honor, we did exchange contact information. We're going to stay in contact up until that date, until we get a next trial date, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, you guys are all set.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good to see you, Judge.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Elder, good to see you.
And thank you, Officer Casal and Sergeant Kiosis as well. And then Attorney Fikens and Attorney Reed, do we have any more officers that checked in with them?
Officer Love checked in on the Almond case. Mr.
And we know what
Rosenthal.
we're doing with Ms. Almond, correct?
That is a plea. Yes, we're set. We're ready to go.
Awesome, thank you.
All right, we'll start with that one. This is the people versus Kayla Katera Allman, ticket number P1338499, count one, driver's license expired. Ticket number P1231909, count one, registration and or plate violation of plate. And count two, no proof of insurance. I don't know if those are in default.
No,
They're
Your
not.
Honor, they're not.
Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with the people.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal, people P84807. We also have Officer Love. Officer Love, can you please state your name and badge number for the record now?
Officer Love, badge number 4321.
And
Thank you. And then we also had the other officer check in, Your Honor. They had to go to another courtroom, but we did work it out perfectly.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Fikens.
thank you, Your Honor. Robert Fikens, P31894. On behalf of Ms. Almond. Ms. Almond, please state your name for the record. Unmute yourself.
Kayla Katera Allman.
My
Judge.
understanding this is going, go ahead.
I'm sorry, Judge. I didn't mean to interrupt.
No, I'm sorry. Go ahead, Mr. Fikens.
Your Honor, there is an offer that if she pleads responsible on ticket ending in 9091, that's count one of no registration. Court would consider dismissing the other two matters, the misdemeanor and the other civil infraction at this time. And my client wishes to avail herself of that offer.
All right, with that, Mr. Fikens, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
We so stipulate, Your Honor. We also stipulate the probable cause, I'm sorry, for the dismissal of the other matters.
All right, the remaining tickets are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Allman, there's a fine of $195 because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay it. Can you pay this fine by November 16th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
Your Honor, I would
You are
just like to
off.
point, I'm sorry, I would just like to point out on the no insurance ticket, there is a reinstatement fee of $45. I advised my client of that she'd have to do that. She's trying to get her license back. She's presently in the permit stage. So I just wanted the record to be clear that she also has to pay that $45. That cannot be waived by this court, even if this court wanted to. And we understand that, Judge.
Thank you for that, Mr. Fikens. So Ms. Allman, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Emil Abner. Ticket, is he around? Ticket number,
Line.
yes.
I don't believe.
Oh, he's still in the room.
Is ready for that one yet.
Oh, she knows.
She hasn't talked to the attorney.
One, right now, we don't have an officer to do it.
Is it set for trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're just trying to-
I'm sorry, say that again.
She stepped away from her.
Right.
and I don't know if she just kind
What time do you guys call trial?
What's that, Your Honor?
What time do you call trial?
Well, at the time, and it'd be now, Your Honor, right now, me and Ms. Cole did speak, and it looks like because we don't have an officer.
Bring Abner out. All right, this is the the People versus Emil Abner, ticket number P1312687. Count 1, open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Count 2, carrying a concealed weapon under the influence. And ticket number P1312673, count 1, refuse to submit the preliminary breath test. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with People.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. And please, this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the People.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nice to see you this morning. This is Stephen Sharg on behalf of Mr. Abner.
All right, good morning, Mr. Shar. Good to see you.
Great to see you, Judge.
Mr. Abner, you want to say your name for the record, sir?
Good morning, Judge. My name is Emil Abner.
All right, looks like this matter was set for trial. I'm not exactly sure what time. Was it 10:45?
Yes, Your Honor, with 10:45 and we're ready to proceed.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor. After speaking with Ms. Cole, on my one count, I don't have an officer. We don't have an officer on both counts that she does have for the state at this time. We ask that this case being dismissed, that it be dismissed without prejudice, Your Honor.
All right, obviously, Mr. Sharg, your motion is to dismiss this without, well, you're asking for a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, the court will dismiss without prejudice. So you are all set, Mr. Abner. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Judge.
Mr. Sharg.
Great to see you.
Thank
Take
you, Your
care.
Honor.
Yeah, good to see you.
I believe that concludes everyone, Your Honor. Did you want me to stick around? Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.